Morning all of you. As you all know that I am Tanvi and today I am here to present an important topic of mathematics, factor theorem. To understand factor theorem, first of all we need to understand what are polynomials, a factor and the remainder theorem. So let's begin. What are polynomials? Polynomials are the algebraic expressions built from variables, constants and exponents using only addition, subtraction, multiplication and non-negative integer exponents. Polynomials are the algebraic expression which are made from constants, variables and exponents. After reading the definition of polynomials, a question will rise in our mind that what are variables, constants and exponents. A variable is a quantity that can be changed and is not fixed. For example, x, y and z. Then a constant. A constant is a value that remains unchanged. For example, pi. Then exponents. Exponent indicates that how many times a number multiplied by itself. For example, 2 cube. So now our next topic is a factor. A factor is a number or algebraic expression that divides another number or polynomial exactly, leaving no remainder. For example, 3 is a factor of 27 because when we divide 27 by 3, it remains a remainder 0 with quotient 9. Then another example for algebraic expressions are x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4 because when we divide x square minus 4 by x minus 2, it remains a remainder 0 with quotient x plus 2. Now our third topic is the remainder theorem. The remainder theorem states that when a polynomial px is divided by a linear polynomial x minus c, the remainder is equal to pc. For example, if px equals to x square minus 2x plus 1 and you divide by x minus 1, the remainder is 4. So what is the motive to understand the remainder theorem? The motive to understand the remainder theorem is to find the remainders and to understand the factor theorem. Now our main topic is the factor theorem. The factor theorem stabilizes a direct relationship between the roots or zeros of a polynomial and its factors. Basically, factor theorem is a theorem in which when we divide algebraic expression with another algebraic expression, its remainder will be 0. Statement of the factor theorem: if pc equals to 0 for some number c, then x minus c is a factor of polynomial px. Conversely, if x minus c is a factor of px, then pc equals to 0. This theorem is incredibly useful for finding factors of polynomials and solving polynomial equation by testing simple values of c. Here is example. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. So, here we want to find that x plus 2 is a factor of px. First of all, we find the 0 of x plus 2, which is minus 2. Then putting the value of x in px, the remainder will be 0. So by the factor theorem, x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 6. Then what are the key points? The factor theorem provides a powerful bridge between roots and factors, simplifying polynomials analysis. Fundamental connection. Pc equals to 0 if x minus c is a factor of px. Efficient tool, use it to find factors, roots and to simplify polynomial expressions. Practice key. Here are some questions which you can solve to understand the topic very nicely. Thank you.